Hello guys, this is part 2 of the same video, so let me just so, yeah, so where was I? Actually 45 cables. Yes, so that's RJ, that's like cut 5e, cut 6, cut 6a, and as I explained previously, these cut 5 and cut 5e are often used for gigabit speed, and cut 6 and 6a for 10 gigabit speed, and that's what it looks like, what you see. And also, do you know all these twisted cables that you see, the wires, sorry, in another video I'll explain how to there's a specific way which you have to. Do you know this plastic bit, the RJ45 bit, the plastic bit that actually, there's a way to put these cables together. You need a toolkit, a specialized toolkit for this, and the wires go into different sections in that plastic bit, and I'll show you in another video. So let's move on. Let's move on to laptop power supplies. So hold on. Laptop power supplies. So laptops usually use a power brick to convert AC to DC. Most can handle 220 or 110 VAC input. Laptops output configurations, connectors, and voltages vary widely. Don't assume interchangeability. Apple's MagSafe connector prevents damage from tripping, so that's what power supply looks like. It has different connectors for laptops, MagSafe. You see on the screen that's a MagSafe connector. Yeah. So phones and tablets use USB or Lightning. 1A typical for phones, and 2A tablets. I'm saying for tablets. There's different assortments of power bricks. You have the ones I showed you over here. Then there's USB-C ones now. I'm saying there's many different ones. Audio connections. So you have a 3.5 millimeter phone jacks. Plugs are still prevalent for earphones and speakers. Then you have TRS stereo and TS for mono. So this is what they look like, audio cables. I'm saying dropped in iPhone 7, still present on many other smartphones. Like these audio connectors, Apple iPhone 7 doesn't have one of them. It's been dropped, but for if you have an Android or tablet, it's still there. Pro audio interfaces may use USB, Lightning, Thunderbolt, or Firewire. HDMI can also carry audio signals. Video connections. So for video, let's see which ones we have here. You've got HDMI, high definition multimedia interface, probably the most common one today. Can convey audio as well as video data. 19-pin asymmetric connector, several versions, 2.1 debuted. in 2017. Standard mini and micro types exist. Can convert to and from DVI with no quality loss or to VGA with some quality loss. This is what it looks like. And display ports. So display ports, not a display port cable. That's one. It debuted in 2008, intended as replacement for VGA and DVI. 20-pin asymmetric trapezoidal latching. I don't know what that means or whether I pronounced it right. Latching connector. This is what it looks like. That's the DisplayPort cable. 3 meters max passive cable. Mini DisplayPort connector, often found on Apple laptops, superseded by Thunderbolts, which supports more types of devices. So let's talk about DVI, which looks like this, and that's a VGA cable. DVI stands for digital visual interface, analog and digital signal modes in same connector, backwards compatible with VGA, requires adapter, various connectors, DVI-D, DVI-A, DVI-DL. I'm saying, so you can have a HDMI to VGA converter. That's what it looks like. So this was a long video on, I've made 2 videos on this on different wired connections. So now I'm going to talk, in my next video I'm going to talk about wireless connections. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching this video again. Thank you. Bye.